Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here I will explain how to tunnel PPPoE. Step by step. Number 1, login to ISP router. Then give identity to the ISP router. Next, type the command IP address print. You can see here that you have got a dynamic internet IP, meaning the router is connected to the internet. Next, first active the PPPoE server on the ISP router and the interface that we will use, in this case the Ether2 interface, with the following command. Next, enable the PPPoE server interface with the interface PPPoE server enable 0 command. Then this PPPoE server can also use IP address automatically, but instead of using a DHCP server, it uses PPP secret. The next step, we will configure PPP secret by entering the username that we specified and the password that we specified. We can set the local address and remote address manually and determine the specific IP address that will be given to the client with the following command. If we look at the PPPoE server, the settings for the IP address for the client are not there and the IP route is also not there. So he really takes advantage of the PPPoE server to connect from the server to the client. It is connected via the second screen, namely the interface screen, because the PPPoE server process use MAC address. Next, login to PPPoE client router, then give an identity to the router. After that, on the client side, we only need a simple configuration, namely giving the name PPPoE client and directing the interface to the Ethernet server interface, in this case the Ether1 interface, with the following command. Next, enable the PPPoE client interface with the interface PPPoE client enable 0 command. Next, we will check the status of the client. Here you can see that the IP address has been obtained automatically from the PPPoE interface and the flags are dynamic. So much from me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.